All right, what we finna do today, bub?
Let's go for a little ride, boy. We gotta hurry up before they call the police on us, though.
What's under your bike?
PWK, 24mm Ghost, aftermarket carb. Exhaust, my bad.
You finna get that Juggernaut?
Yeah, we'll see. I don't know.
You like your bike?
Hell yeah.
All right.
You know, the ride's good. It's a lot more sturdy than some of them other C200 UAXs and you know.
Like you don't own one right here, but.
I know.
You
You gonna ride mine?
Yeah, I'm finna ride yours.
Oh, okay. All right, bet.
Mine has the, what's it called? Mine don't even have a pipe on it, and I don't got bolts.
I got you. Hey,
Oh,
sorry.
oh,
You
shit.
want to throw this other pipe on here real quick?
I was about to say, yeah.
Yeah,
Here,
let's
put
do
that
that.
thing down.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just slap that one on it while we ride for right now.
All right.
So this is gonna probably be a no cut video, or should we cut it to when we ride?
All right, hold on.
All right, bet. I'm gonna cut y'all when we're riding.
Yep.
Alright, we riding again. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but last clip I said I'd pick y'all up when we were riding, but we're just gonna cruise around the neighborhood, try not to get caught by the cops. Write me in the comments. I've never rode with this motor before. Look at that boy. Look at him. Something feels weird on the bike. This bike is definitely underpowered compared to my 224. My 224, it has Sun-F 19 by 10 by 8, which I'm supposed to a redoing video on it, because I'm redoing it right now, but it'll throw it up. It throws it up way easier. I'm not using this. Alright, so if y'all didn't hear in the last clip, I told y'all we was gonna pick it up when we got back from the ride. So how was the ride, bub?
Oh, it's good. My phone died. But no, it's cool. You know.
Them brakes on that Trailmaster are really good, huh?
Yeah, they don't play, dude.
It was the same price as my B200R. The brakes are better. I feel like the motor was better. It had shocks, but we didn't know about these at the time.
It's a pretty decent bike overall.
Only thing I don't like about the brakes, they're a little too touchy. So when you're in a...
But once you get them worn in, though, a little bit, they are.
I was about to say.
Off the rip, they are. They're freaking...
They're
But,
super tight. They just
I mean,
want to
you
lock
see
your
me
back
just
wheel
now.
up.
You see me just now. I just barely tap on them, and they're good.
Ooh, looks like your boat coming apart.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so tell them what they got to do.
All right, guys. Till the next one. Like and subscribe. Join us next time.
Rate that to change.